More Mielle. This is my second order. I love the way that it's packaged. So the first time I got hair oil and stuff. And this time, yes! This golden face serum right in time for my Cali trip. And guess what? I got 2 of them because they was on sale for $7. So y'all better keep an eye on your email because she be dropping them sales. This thing is $20 per bottle, and I got 2 of them for less than $20 because of that sale. Thank you so much. And I love their customer service. And look where that's came! Yeah. Yes. What is this? Oh, the bag. So I got 2 value things, and I got, this is what I'm excited for. I don't know if this is the right color though. This is NC50. Yeah, this is NC50. This is a sample. So I'm a little worried about this because, but you know what? With MAC, they don't always tell you the exact color any dang on way. Let me just open it up and you can see it on here on the side. I'm trying to film. I don't have, well, I got set up, but not here. Yeah, I think I can work with this. Because my LA colors is like this color. The neck one and the zipper. This is what I've been waiting on. This is Coral of the Wild. This is what they were sold out of. I think the only way you could have gotten one of these. Make me mercurial? Make me mercurial? Mercurial? Yeah, but this one, I think this is the one that I had wanted a lot. You couldn't, and they were sold out. And I don't think they're making this one anymore. Yeah, this is the one I wanted. I wanted like a really pretty nude. Yeah. Pretty. Then I wanted another one, but I love pineapple, so I got this. You need that Fix Plus. I'm gonna go ahead and set these up because I had some stuff leak out of one of my makeup kits that I had got. Then it's just a regular Fix Plus. So I'm trying to see which one I'm gonna take. I'm gonna leave one here and put one in my makeup kit for traveling. I'm gonna sit for that one. And then my other lip glosses. go. And who ain't get this on? And who ain't get this on Afterpay? Yes, honey, $100. But only spent 30. Yeah. Actually, this is cute. Roller girl. That's cute. I think I had this before too. It's really cute. Definitely need that. Yeah, I'm excited. All right, cool. So yeah, I'm excited. These are some new stuff I'm about to try. Not new to them, but new to me. I love this bag. It's so cute. I really love that one. This is cute too. Pretty pepper. What's that? This is a glass too. All right, y'all. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty. It's like a nighttime. Okay, so I think I'm LA ready on a makeup tip. I don't need nothing else. Nothing else. Yeah, so I'm gonna pack this up. I'm gonna hit y'all back when I'm packing. Yeah. And y'all can see how I finished up. Because as we can see, the nails done already then got done. They long as shit though. I ain't never had nails this long. But it's okay because I'm trying to be extravagant for LA. But yeah, y'all. That concludes my minty mini haul. I'll get back with y'all once I finish packing everything up and show y'all how I packed everything up. And yeah, LA, 10 days.